UFO world. We getting close to the cave. We gonna sneak right over here and set up. And I'm gonna send, as you can see off in the distance, there's a rock face over there. Usually over on the other side of that rock face, something crashes off down that way. You can hear something crunching over there now. Yeah. I'm getting hungry, so let's go over here and see what's going on. There ain't no sneaking about it. It's just too much noise. This looks like a good spot to get down there and see what's on the other side down there. So stay tuned for the drone footage, guys. All right, guys. The drone was kind of a fail again. It seems like once it gets so far away from me, it just does its own thing, goes out of control. Check out that. That's all crisscrossed off. It's marked up here. I'm trying to fight my way up here. See if they took off with the apples. Or not the apples. The peanut butter. He's over there trying to find the drone. Sorry if it's shaky, guys. I left my stabilizer up on top with KN. And I had to go down and track the drone. Now leave her up here in case something happens.
Huh?
Let her stay where she's at in case something happens. I'm going back out around that way.
Huh?
I'm coming back around that way.
Want me to follow you?
It don't matter. It's up to you. I'm actually using the controller to the drone to stabilize a little bit. Nope, they didn't take the peanut butter, but something was eating on it. Some cold air coming out of that. Definitely tore all the labeling off of it. They tore all the labeling, it's gone. Open that, see if they did anything to the inside. The label is gone. Didn't touch it. But they took the label. Where is it?
Shredded.
Nah, that's just a little piece where they started pulling it, but where's the whole rest of the label? It's nowhere out there. Maybe they'll come back for the peanut butter. They just like the label. Look at that.
Open it up.
What, the peanut butter?
They need to work on it.
No, they know what it is. They already
put a
all the
little bit on the
ones.
lid.
All the ones you left out there, they took. Except for that half of one they left behind. They never took nothing from here. But up there in Bigfoot land, they do. I feel like I'm getting weak. Let's go get something to eat. I still gotta climb all the way up out of here. Shit. You got the drone, right?
Yeah.
Now Bigfoot took her ass.
Yeah.
They'll bring her back for sure. He said, "Oh, you got another one coming too? Oh,
You good?
yeah, I gotta quit talking shit." I ain't messing with that cave today.
Grab a hole.
Look how twisted that tree is. It's twisted back, pointing to that cave. Look at that tree. How twisted that tree is. And it's pointing to that cave over there. They're living in there. I need to get Fred's ass in there, man.
4 or 5.
Buried in the hole. He'll go. Look at the fractures in that. As you see, I had it set up, but as soon as it goes up, it wants to go out of haywire. Once it gets so far away from me, like it loses signal and it goes. But guys, we're getting out of here. I'm getting hungry. Definitely stay tuned for this next crazy ass adventure.
Guys, check the Facebook group, by the way. His Facebook group for the behind the scenes whenever he was flying the drone. I recorded it.
That's
I'll
funny.
put it up in a Facebook group.
Definitely check it out, guys. Stay tuned.